Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to install MySQL Server on Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First, open your favorite browser and search for MySQL. Then you can navigate to the mysql.com, the official website for the MySQL. Click on that link. Now, in this page, we have to go to downloads option to download MySQL. So click on download. Now scroll down and you can see MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on that. Here we are going to install MySQL for Windows 11 operating system. So click on MySQL installer for Windows. Now there are two versions. So for 8.0.33, so we are going to install the second one, that is Windows. This one for the 428 byte. Click on that to download. Now, if you don't want to log in to MySQL, then here you can see the just no thanks, just start my download. So click on this link. So you can see downloading is started. Let's wait for downloading completed. Downloading is completed. Now let's install it. So open it into folder. Now double click to install. Now it is preparing for installation. Here you have to click on Yes to give permission to your device to install MySQL in your system. So now let's set up our MySQL. Here we have to choose our setup type. So we are going to select as a custom. Then click next. Then click on next. Now here we are going to install MySQL server. So just click on this drop down. Is select MySQL Server 8 and just export it. Now click on application. Now we are going to install the workbench also. So extract the workbench as well. Now then drop down it. Then we are also going to install the PowerShell. So same we are doing with PowerShell. So you can see the MySQL Server workbench and shell. These three we are going to install. Now click on next. So it is ready to install. So click on execute. It will take small amount of time to install the all three software. So let's wait for the same. So we have completed installation for the three softwares. Now click on next. Ready to configure. Click on again next. Now here we have to configure our MySQL. So this is the port 3306 which we are going to use. We are keeping it as same. Then development computer. So we are keeping all this setting as it is. Then click on next. Now here we have to use password to log in your MySQL. So let's create it. First click on next. Now set your password. You can set any. So I'm setting as then click on next. Now must remember that password which you have set. You have to keep remember it. So while we are logging into MySQL, we need that password. Now let's then next click on next. Now just grant the access to install MySQL. The location will be C drive program data MySQL. So click on next. Then here we have to execute all these statements. So click on execute. Let's wait till it completed. Now click on finish. So our configuration is completed. Now click on next and click on finish. So our you can see our MySQL is installed. So now we have to set path for our MySQL. So open your program files. Then go to C drive where we have installed the MySQL. Then program files. Here we have to search for MySQL. Then open the server. Then bin. Copy this path. So we are going to set environment variable path for the server. Now on the environment variable. Click on environment variables. Now in system variable, select the path and click on edit. Now here we have to set the new path. Then click on new and paste our path. Then click on OK. Again OK. OK. So you must remember the path where you have installed your MySQL. So my MySQL is in Windows. Program files MySQL. Then I have opened the server, then bin, and I have set this path for the environment variable. Now let's check our MySQL is installed or not. For that, open the start and search for command prompt. Now here we have to write command as MySQL hyphen version. So you can see our MySQL is installed. So in this way, you can install MySQL in Windows 11 operating system, as well as you can set the environment variable path for the same. Keep noted that the password which you have set, you must remember while log into MySQL.